Hi everyone, so this is the dashboard. From here, you can create a new project and upload the DWG file. Once you have selected your file, you need to answer some basic questions so that we can map your floor plans to the official NBC rules. Once you have answered the questions, you can see the equipment that needs to be placed in your floor plan. So here, the new project is created. You can start running the project. Your drawing is now being processed. You can choose the floor plans in your CAD file by drawing these boxes. Once you have confirmed the final floor plans, our model will start running on your floor plans to identify the rooms in your floor plan. This usually takes 1 to 2 minutes. So here we go. Now you need to adjust the mask. Basically, our model has detected walls, doors, and room interior spaces. If the mask is not aligned, you can move it right or left to align it perfectly with the underlying floor plan. So here, we have adjusted the mask. Now you can click on Continue. This is one of the floor plans that you uploaded here. Now the final processing is running. The model has completed floor plan room identification for Block 2. Here are the rooms. You can also make changes here, if you think that 2 or 3 rooms are together. Here is the second floor plan. Here also, you can split or merge different rooms. Now click on Auto Placement, and the detectors are placed automatically within a few seconds. You can also place sprinklers on this drawing by clicking on Auto Placement. Sprinklers are also placed. Now you can save the changes. To do the piping, click on Connect Pipes, and for piping, you need to select the FSC shaft. Once you select the FSC shaft, the piping is also done. Now coming to the second floor plan. Here also, by clicking on Auto Placement, sprinkler placement can be done within a few seconds. So the sprinklers are placed. Now you need to select the shaft after making some edits to the sprinklers. If you feel that sprinklers should not be placed in these places, you can use the editor tool and delete those sprinkler symbols. Once you have corrected all the incorrect sprinkler placements, you can select the shaft from where piping should be done. Like this. Click on Route Auto. And now the piping is also done. But if you feel that in some places the piping is not done properly, you can edit that as well. By clicking on the Erase button and selecting the pipes, you can delete those particular pipes that you feel are wrong. You can also use the editor to draw those pipes correctly after deleting them. Once the drawing is complete, you can export it either in CAD format, which will open directly in AutoCAD, or you can also export a PNG or PDF file, all through one platform. The export is also complete, and the file is downloaded. Thank you.